Yeah, go in. Run up that thing like. Ready? Bro. Yeah. Ready?
Project that Delroy slowly has done, I think he deserves a big round of applause. So I came not only to pledge my support for Slowly, and I told him and I told the Prime Minister that we are going to ensure that
just a come. Me's a crossover PMP because you're one of the best Prime Minister me ever see. Show me labor. I'm one of the best Prime Minister. This is a woman you ever see move the country forward. Everything I've done, I right direction the Prime Minister. And me, pray that God guide you and cover you. No weapon that form against you and the Jamaican Labour Party and the Jamaican people shall prosper. Me love you. I want a picture with you. Shower every time. The best day me ever see, brother. Keep up the good work.